The next stage in Alexander's campaign was the sieging of the hill fort of Aornos, which is known in Sanskrit literature as Varna. In fact, Panini mentions this hill fort, and this is very important mythologically also, because the siege of Aornos or Varna indicates the strength of Alexander, because in Greek mythology we have that even Heracles could not destroy the fort of Aornos or Varna. So, this was a kind of achievement for Alexander, and he celebrated this success by sacrificing and having feast, and he built altars in the name of Minerva, and the other deity was Victory. Now, after this reducing this fort, we find that Alexander posted a garrison in the region under a general who was Indian, and in the Greek literature we find that his name is Sisycotus. Perhaps in Indian literature it will be Shashigupta or some like. Let me quote from Orion. We find that Orion records that Alexander went in pursuit of the fleeing defenders of Aornos, who were led by a brother of the Ascanian chief killed in Massaga. So, this suggests that he could be very vindictive when he wanted to, and the persons who had actually tried to uphold the hill fort was not left out, and they were completely massacred and executed. The next phase, important phase in Alexander's campaign is the control of the region of Nysa. Now, there is a very interesting anecdote about the origin of Nysa. It is said that Nysa was founded by Dionysus, and it was named Nysa after his nurse. Now, when Alexander reached Nysa, the people did not go for any kind of rebellion. What they did was they sent mission to Alexander by saying that the people of Nysa belonged to the same kin, because they were also Greeks, and they wanted to live undisturbed, and there should not be any kind of conquest. Rather, they submitted in a different form, giving him the story of their origin. So, that was taken into account by Alexander, and though Nysa was under his rule, but the people of Nysa were left undeterred.